Hi guys, welcome to Queen Bee's World. Today I will be showing you guys how to make herbal tea. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need is green tea. I will be using jasmine green tea. You can use any green tea that you have or that you like. Here are some benefits of green tea. Number 1, it increases immunity and prevents infection. Number 2, it boosts metabolism. Number 3, it eliminates fat from body. Number 4, it removes bad cholesterol. Number 5, it reduces diabetes risk. And number 6, it helps in weight loss. And we need some slices of ginger. Here are some benefits of ginger. Number 1, it is a powerful antioxidant. Number 2, it relieves pain. Number 3, it reduces inflammation. Number 4, it aids in digestion. Number 5, it is great for detoxification. Number 6, it normalizes heart rate. Number 7, it increases energy levels. Number 8, it lowers blood pressure. Number 9, it is a good source of amino acid cysteine. And number 10, it burns fat. Our next ingredient is honey. So here are some benefits of honey. Number 1, it helps in blood sugar regulation. Number 2, it is a probiotic. Number 3, it gives you beautiful and healthy skin. Number 4, it reduces ulcers. Number 5, it soothes cough. Number 6, it heals burns. Number 7, it boosts memory. Number 8, it treats wounds. Number 9, it provides nutrients. And number 10, it is antibacterial. And we need some lemon juice. I'm going to be using fresh lemon. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C and minerals such as copper, calcium, and iron. I am also going to be using some mint leaves for garnishing. So first of all, take a saucepan, add in 2 glasses of water. And you have to boil the water. Once the water starts boiling, I added green tea. I'm adding more of it. If you're making 1 cup, then add 1 teaspoon of green tea, and if you're making 2 cups, then add 2 teaspoons of green tea. Now add in the ginger. You have to stir it occasionally and cook it for 5 minutes. Now take a clean cup, put in a strainer, and pour in the green tea. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of honey. And mix it well. Squeeze in a bit of lemon juice as well. And mix it again. For garnishing, I'm gonna add in this lemon slice. And also a mint leaf. So our herbal tea is ready. If you guys liked my video, then do like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos as well. I'll see you guys later. Bye.